Hi fella, this is Rita JL and warmly welcome to Rita Finance YouTube channel. And in this channel, we are learning different topics from finance. And today we are going to focus on lending, specifically loan denial or loan decline. And as usual, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video and link to other people who think you're going to benefit from the teachings of this video. And don't forget to like the video too. Share this video with your friends, your workmates, your classmates, your family, and your loved ones. And God will bless you. And in today's topic, as I said, it's going to be loan denial or loan decline. Have you ever received a loan denial or a loan decline notice from a lender, from a loan application which you submitted to your lender? If so, you are not the only one, and there are so many people who have gone through the same, and there are some reasons of and why your loan have been declined. So you need to know the reasons behind why the lender has declined your loan so that you can improve your chances of getting the loan in some other time in the future if you're going to request for a loan or you go to another lender to request for a loan. So you're going to have a proper documentation or a proper analysis of your loan request before you submit it to your lender. Without further ado, I'll start with the first reason of why you have been rejected a loan. The first reason is probably your debt to income ratio is too high. You know, lenders used to analyze the income that you're having monthly and your debt obligation monthly, and to see if your income is capable of repaying this debt obligation. So if you're having a debt of, let's say, $3,000 and income of $5,000, if you divide the two, you will get 60%, which is very too high to lenders. That it signifies that you are going to struggle to repay back this loan. So make sure your debt to income ratio is low, of at least 30% or below 30%, to improve your chances of getting this loan. Another reason of why you might have been rejected your loan request is that your current or your past credit history is not good. So lenders usually go to the Credit Reference Bureau to get your reports and to see how your repayment status with your previous lender and with your current lender. If you have defaulted with any lender or you have past dues with your current lenders, it signifies that you are a high-risk borrower. So your chances of getting this loan will be low. The third reason of why your loan might have been rejected is your qualifying income isn't enough. So lenders usually examine your income in the DTI ratio. So not all income qualify as make it to a qualifying income. They are looking for the income which is steady and it is consistent. Like, for example, you are having income from maybe bonuses or commission, or a certain leave allowance, or you're having this overtime allowance. This income which are not permanent in your basic income are usually deducted from your gross income when they are calculating the DTI ratio. So when they deduct this income which are not permanent, your DTI ratio won't be good, and that's why you are not going to get a loan. So make sure the income which you're reporting to your lender is the income which is permanent and it's steady and consistent throughout the loan repayment tenure. Another reason of why your loan might have been rejected by your lender is just you don't meet the basic requirement. So lenders usually have their requirements. Maybe they want you to be a permanent employee or a resident of that country, and they've been guided by their credit policy. So if you are not meeting the requirement of that lender, they're basically going to decline your loan. The fifth reason of why your loan is going to be declined, or your lender have declined your loan, is just that your purpose of the loan doesn't meet the lender's criteria. So lenders usually are guided by their credit policy, or their credit policy of guiding them on who to lend and areas where to lend and the sectors which to lend. So for example, the purpose of the loan goes to gambling industry, sex industry, or narcotic industry. These areas are strictly prohibited by many lenders. So if the purpose of the loan is from the areas which are prohibited by the lender's internal credit policy not to lend to those areas, then the chances of your loan to be declined will be high, and they were going to decline your loan. The sixth reason of why your loan is rejected is lack of proof of steady income. In the ratio of debt to income ratio, which I said, you need to provide evidence of the income which which you're having throughout the loan tenure, so that they can establish this, if these cash flows can be sufficient to service your loan. If you don't have proof of it, maybe your contracts or your contract which you're having with that company, or any sales agreements, or anything which is backing up that income from the source of income which you're having, then the lender will go to decline that request.